What's up, guys, or AJ gamers out there? Today we are back with another video. Now, today what you are witnessing in front of me is a little thing I like to call magnetic slime. Now, I made this at school, and there's this program that goes on after school at Glen Acres Elementary at Westchester, and the website that you need to visit is www.scienceexplorers.com. And so yeah, I'm just gonna open this boy up. And by the way, guys, when you make this, don't handle this with your bare hands. I would really suggest using gloves. So look at this, because I made it with actual iron thing, like little like iron oxide. We made this with iron oxide, cornstarch, and glue. Now, this is the magnet we're gonna use. It's like a coin thing. So we're gonna move that to the side. This is what we were after. This slime right here is what we are going to mess around with. So let's try to magnet this thing. Look at that. Look at that. And if we just leave it there, look, it's moving on its own. And then it just comes off clean. Then now we just push it down. And look, it's slowly devouring the magnet. Yeah. And also, guys, this is nighttime right now. So, why am I doing it? I'm recording a video. And there, it ate the whole thing. Yes. Alright, let's grab it out. And guys, you're gonna witness something awesome. If I can just get it out of the slime. Look, it came out clean. Look at that. I dropped it. Got it. And also, guys, we got this thing, which is a magnet that is duct taped to the slime. So guys, look at this. This is how you do it. See that? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Look at that. And just look at that. It's just devouring the magnet. Look at that. You guys see that right now? Look at this. Look at this mess. Ugh. How do I grab this out with one hand? How do I get this off with one hand? Like, because I'm a kid that can read. Alright, alrighty, so yeah, guys, I do recommend using gloves for this. Don't use your although you can use your bare hands after like a few hours. I'd say about 10 hours. Or maybe just don't touch it at all. Like, buy gloves before you even make this. And, yeah, just be careful when you make this stuff, please. I cannot have any of my viewers getting sick or hurt from this. And do not do this by yourself. Definitely reserve to making this with a parent. Please use parental supervision. I can't have any of my viewers getting hurt by this because I love you guys so much. And my viewers, thank you so much for giving my videos views. And please consider subscribing if you are new, and smash that like button. Like, look. Give that big of a like. And also, slap that notification bell so you never miss a new video on the channel. And I will see you guys in the next science review. Love, peace, gaming, and peace.